All right, Altered State here. Somebody asked me why I like Circuit Tracks and what I use it for. So I thought I would make a quick video. And I thought the best way to kind of review it would be to actually make a kind of a quick song and show you just how versatile this box is. So for me, the first thing I usually will do will go through the drums. And one thing you should note is that what's great about the tracks is you can go into this packs section and you can load up just a million different packs. And packs are, you know, full combinations of drums and synths and, you know, and it just gives you the ability to choose a million sounds and take it on the go wherever you take this machine. So what I do is I load up a project in a pack, and then we'll go to the drum section here. And what I will do is I will usually choose a kick. See how there's all these. If you go down, there's more. So I'll choose a kick. This one's good. And then I'll choose a snare. This one's interesting. I'll use this one. And then some percussion. I like this. And then one more. Maybe this kind of wooden percussion sound. Okay, once you have those set, then you can go into this record mode. You can set a click. And currently I have this paired with my Octatrack, and our tempo is 85. So there's our tempo here. You can go into patterns and set the length of how long you want. Let's go ahead and set them all for four bars here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get the idea here. Let's go again. Let's record it this time. So now it's locked in here. And turn off the tick here. So let's do something like this. Okay, so we got a decent, you know, drum beat set up. Let's go into the synth section, synth 1. What's great about the synths is there's just so many in there. So if you go into these presets, you have, what is this, you know, 64. And then there's more. If you go down, there's several pages. Here, we'll do this one here. So I need to determine my pattern length for this. We'll just keep it at 4 bars. So we have the pattern locked in, but what we can do is, if we don't like the sound, we can change it to a different preset, or we can tweak it with all these tweaking knobs up here. I'll show you. Okay, so I like this bassy sound, but let's say it's not quite refined enough, then I'll use these knobs up here to tweak it. So. What's also really great is you can record your changes, your knob changes in real time here, so you can really add a lot of life. Here we go. You have a master filter over here. If you just want the bass. All right, time for synth 2. We'll add some more kind of melodies behind things. Let's try this one. Let's try it. Okay, so we got that in there, but let's tweak this synth so it's a little bit different, something that I really like. Okay, so that sounds pretty good. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna add some effects. So they have two effects. There is a delay and then there is some reverb. So I'll show you both here. Reverb. Tweak on the fly, why not? Change a preset. Alright, so that's kind of how I use it, mainly just to develop really cool synth sounds. It can also pattern chain things into kind of more of a structure of a song, but it's a little bit limited in a way. So I generally have it synced up with another machine or another recording device, and then I'll you know, create a very structured song, and then add all of the sounds in different sections that I want using the synths in here. And yeah, it's kind of it's a tool that I use with other tools, but it's also really great if you want to just take it on the go somewhere, because it's really light. It has a USB-C and just a great box.